Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Layla Melbourne shopping platform. So this is basically an online shopping website where you can purchase different items such as women dress, jackets, and even for men's you can purchase different accessories as well, right? So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind these. As you can see, their quality is guaranteed and they provide you with a 24/7 customer support, which is really a good thing. Another policy that I have confirmed is their money back guarantee, that you can return the item with 14-day hassle-free returns. So they also provide free shipping throughout Australia. So these are really good signs about this website. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see, the website has a pretty much really clean user interface, and the quality of pictures being uploaded is also really good, and the pictures are not plagiarized from the internet. So this is a really good sign. But once I tried to search for the domain and information, I got to know that they have a really bad trust score of 1 out of 100 on the scam advisor website. So it could be a scam as well. So I tried to search for its domain name, and as you can see, its domain name was registered back in 2025. So it has been registered recently, so this also raises concerns about the authenticity of the product. So in conclusion, I would say like the website is really good, but we cannot trust it as well. So you could just give it a shot, maybe just start small and purchase one item, and once you're satisfied, then you can go further shopping. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.